What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Redmi Note 12 Pro. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 240Hz touch sampling rate. It has a peak brightness of 900 nits and supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and DCI P3 color gamut. It packs Dimensity 1080 processor with Mali G68 MC4 GPU. It comes with 12-layer graphite sheet for cooling and X-axis vibration motor. It has up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB UFS 2.2 storage. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery with 67 watts turbocharger in the box. It has dual stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support, and it also comes with headphone jack. This is my current setup. There are two used lights on either side, battery is at 63%, there's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 25 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front, the highest is 32 degrees and on the back, the highest is 31 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Call of Duty. We can swipe from the edge to access Game Assistant. Now let's look at graphics. High graphics and very high frame rate are the highest setting available. There are also max frame rate, but when selected, graphic quality goes down to low. Anyway, I'll be playing with high graphics and very high frame rate. Let's get to the game.
Contact with enemy. Targets in sight. Reloading.
Visuals are pretty good and colors are also nice. Details and controls are also smooth. And while playing, I couldn't notice any lag.
Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Targets in sight. Changing mag. Target down. Enemy in sight. Taking the lead. Enemy contact. Target's in sight. Contact with enemy.
Now let's check the temperature. On the front, the highest is 39 degrees and on the back, the highest is 38 degrees. It's been a total of 15 minutes and the battery came down to 59%. So for 15 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 4% of battery, which is nice. And phone feels slightly warm. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 25 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front, the highest is 47 degrees. On the back, the highest is 45 degrees. Now the phone feels hot, especially on the front. Now I'll use the phone for a while to check for throttling. By the way, it took 457 photos in those 3 minutes, and that is great. Anyway, there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Redmi Note 12 Pro. It has good performance with Dimensity 1080 processor. It has great display with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 240Hz touch sampling rate. It has a good battery life with 5000 mAh battery and fast charging support of 67 watts. It has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support and also comes with a headphone jack. So overall it is performing pretty well and you're getting a pretty good deal in all aspects. So what do you think about this phone? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.